Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today I have for you these pin connector pliers, crimpers, and the pin connectors. Now I bought these for a job that, or a project that I'm going to do, and what they're used for is, you see these little screws here on an amp board or any circuit board, and you put a wire inside and screw it down to keep it tight. If it's just a wire, it can break off while you're screwing it down. If you put these pin connectors on, then it shouldn't break off. Now I ordered these from AliExpress, and they feel pretty heavy. I don't see any name on them, it just says hand crimping tools, and on the bottom it says high quality solutions. It gives you an idea that you can squeeze them together. A little bit of stuff on the back, pretty self-explanatory. There we go. So they are heavy. They seem fairly well built. There is 3 locking positions on it, and then they open up. So they'll stay closed, go all the way, they'll open up. Now let's get some pin connectors out here. There's 1,200 pieces in here. We have 22 gauge, 20 gauge, 18 gauge, 16 gauge, 14 gauge, 12 gauge, 7 gauge, and 10 gauge. Wow, that's really good to crimp a 10 gauge. To test it, I got some speaker wire here that is 18 gauge. What I'm the test for is ease of use and how well it stays on. So now this is 18 gauge. I want to select the 18 gauge pin. I guess I should show you what all the pins look like without trying to dump them all out. I don't know if I can do it. Anyway, I'll grab a blue one here just to show you. So now, unlike, I don't know if you know regular crimp-on wire connectors, where the plastic is usually where the part that you crimp. This is the opposite. You put the wire through and you crimp it on the steel. So slide that in there like so. It's on the end. And I don't think it matters which side I use. Looks like the same both ways. Okay, well that's pretty easy. Oh, whoa, okay, no, that is crimped on. So I busted the plastic off, but the actual crimp never come off. So that's pretty good. I'll put one on the other side, and I can show you an up close of what happened there. There we go. So now you can see that there's a little plastic piece on the end there, probably stopping stuff from shorting out wire to wire on close connections. And then on the other side, the plastic is gone. I ripped it off, but the metal piece is still there. So now you would take that and you would unscrew this terminal, stick that inside there and screw it back shut, and you would have no chance of screwing the screw down too tight and cutting off the wire or damaging the wire. So that is going to be good. I think I picked these up for, I think it was $20 for the kit, 1,200 piece kit, and the pliers. So yeah, gonna be using this for a amp build coming up. I've been talking about that lots lately, and if you like this content, then please like and subscribe. You can watch that video when it comes out. I hope to have it out before July is done. So thanks for watching and have a great day.